Okay, here are some instructions on the wood chipper. First, I highly recommend you use hearing protection. If you don't have any of these ones on the cord, I've never used, so they're clean. These foam ones are better because they just block more noise. In any event, the gas tank is deliberately near empty, so don't worry about replacing or returning it full. Put in what you need, and whatever's left is fine. To start it, it's really simple. Just a second, let me put these down. You want to push this to start. You want to open the choke, and then you just do one pull. Should do it. Two pulls. Then turn it off. Turn it off. The chipper will spin for a while, so don't stick your hands in there. And that's essentially it. Every so often, this may get clogged. Turn it off and just pull out whatever might be stuck in there. I typically throw everything down through the big bin. You can also use this smaller one, but for whatever reason I find more success with the other one. And that is it.